Topical treatments are easy but can wash off. Oral medications are guaranteed to work but might be more expensive. And modern flea collars can provide protection for up to 8 months but might not be suitable for all pets.
And given that 95% statistic, I'm guessing environmental management is crucial?
Absolutely essential. Regular vacuuming is key, but you need to focus on those hidden spots: dark corners, under furniture, along baseboards. And here's a pro tip. The vibration from vacuuming actually stimulates those dormant pupae to emerge.
That's fascinating. What about outdoor spaces?
Yard maintenance is crucial. Keep grass short, remove leaf litter, and consider using cedar mulch. It naturally repels these pests.